Now we're drawing a sturdy body. Make a body, place it below the head, just so nice and strong to help it grow. Next we're adding two helpful arms. Draw the arms, attach them to the body just right, from the shoulders left and right. Now we're drawing two strong legs. Draw the legs, add them down below the trunk, make them straight or bent with spunk. Finally, we're drawing a happy face. Draw the face, add two eyes, a nose and a mouth with smiles to share. Also add some fun hair, fun hair. Finally, we're drawing a happy face. Draw the face. Let's check if we've got it all. Take a look. A head, a body, arms and legs, and a face that's looking great. You did it, you've drawn a person. Take a bow. Now let's draw another person on the page. Now let's draw another person on